Hello, dear students! Welcome to our online English school. This lesson, we will revise all the vocabulary we have learned on previous lessons, and we will sing a song. First, let's watch the video and listen to the words you know.
Where's the library? I want to see all the old books.
I don't know. Let's look. Are we on the ground floor now?
Yes, we are.
OK. I think the library's behind this big old door here.
Shall we see?
Yes.
I don't like this library very much. I think there are lots of spiders here.
Don't be silly, Alex. It's fine. Which room is behind this door? Let's see. It's the dining room. Let's go and look.
What's behind that door?
Shall we go downstairs and see?
I don't want to go down to the basement. I'm scared.
It's okay, Alex. It's just an old house. It's the kitchen. Do you want to see?
Brr. No, it's cold here. I want to go upstairs. Let's go and see the bedrooms. They're on the first floor.
What an amazing bedroom. And look at that big balcony.
Which room is next to this bedroom?
It's a bathroom.
It's just a bird.
Now, let's remember the words from the video you watched. Please listen and repeat after me. 1. Dining room. Dining room. This is a room where you eat your meals in a house or a hotel. 2. Basement. Basement. This is a room or set of rooms that is below ground level in a building, like 0 floor. 3. First floor. First floor. This is a level of a building directly above the ground level. 4. Ground floor. Ground floor. As you can see here, this is the level of a building that is on the ground. As you can see on the picture, first floor and the ground floor are on the same level. But first floor is for American English, ground floor is for the British English. 5. Garden. Garden. This is an area of ground belonging to a house, often contains grass, flowers, or trees. 6. Living room. Living room. This is a room in a house where people sit to relax and, for example, watch TV. Okay, let's practice vocabulary that we have learned from previous lessons.
Look at the pictures and choose.
For the first, let's read the words. Bathroom, ground floor, kitchen, library, balcony, dining room, first floor, basement, bedroom. I will give you some minutes to put these words with the right picture. I hope you've done it. Let's start. The first word, bathroom. All right. The second word is ground floor. It should be here. The next, kitchen. Library. Easy. Balcony. Good. Dining room. Good. First floor. Okay. Basement. And the last one, but not least, bedroom. Okay, let's check. Good job! Thank you. Well, it's time for true-false activity. Please be attentive and listen very carefully.
Listen and choose.
You will listen each audio 2 times, and then I will give you a time to think. After that, we will start ticking together. Are you ready? Here we go.
Where's the dining room?
It's on the ground floor. It's next to the library.
Where's the dining room?
It's on the ground floor. It's next to the library.
Where's the kitchen?
It's on the top floor.
Where's the kitchen?
It's on the top floor.
Where's the bedroom?
It's on the first floor.
Where's the bedroom?
It's on the first floor.
Where's the balcony? It's in the library. Where's the balcony? It's in the library.
Where's the bathroom?
It's next to the bedroom.
Where's the bathroom?
It's next to the bedroom.
Where's the library?
It's in the basement.
Where's the library?
It's in the basement.
Now, let's check. All answers are correct. Thank you very much. In the last exercise, but not least, we need to read and choose the words that are below the text. Bathroom, first, balcony, downstairs, library, basement, dining, ground. I hope you remember the meaning of these words. First, I will give you some time to look at these words and put them into the text. Now, let's start. This house has got a library. It's on the ground floor. There is a dining room next to the library. And the kitchen is downstairs. It's in the basement. Upstairs there is a bedroom with big balcony. Next to the balcony there is a bathroom. The bedroom and the bathroom are on the first floor. Let's check. Everything is correct. Thank you. Ding dong for the next musical video. Please watch and enjoy.
stairs inside out. When you see me, you must shout. Am I in the garden? Am I up a tree? Am I in the bathroom? Can you see me? Am I in the living room? On the TV? Or am I in the bedroom? Can you see me? Am I in the dining room? Or on the balcony? Or am I in the kitchen? Can you see me? Upstairs, downstairs, inside out. When you see me, you must shout.
I hope you liked this scary musical video. Let's continue listening and practicing our vocabulary. Please listen to the instructions very carefully.
Listen and put the words in order, then say the words.
Upstairs, downstairs, inside out. When you see me, you must shout. Am I in the garden? Am I up a tree? Am I in the bathroom? Can you see me? Am I in the living room? On the TV? Or am I in the bedroom? Can you see me? Am I in the dining room? Or on the balcony? Or am I in the kitchen? Can you see me? Upstairs, downstairs, inside out. When you see me, you must shout.
Okay, let's put these words in order together and pronounce them afterwards. So, the first word is garden, second, tree, third, bathroom, fourth, living room, fifth, TV, sixth, bedroom, seventh, dining room, eighth, balcony, ninth, kitchen. Let's check. All the words are in correct order. Thank you. And the last exercise of our lesson.
Play the game.
You need to look at the map, find the eyes of a wolf, and answer the question, yes or no. Are you ready? Let's start.
Am I in the bathroom? Am I in the bedroom? Am I in the kitchen? Am I on the balcony? Am I up a tree? Am I on TV? Am I in the dining room? Am I in the living room? Am I in the garden?
Well done! Thank you very much. The lesson is over. Goodbye and have a nice day.